Yes, this is the second blizzard of 2009, and we are on our way to BWI to fly to Florida in another blizzard.
Find a happy place. Rob's driving with one hand and talking on the phone. Isn't that against the law? All we want to do is get to Florida, and if you look out the window, it's a very daunting task. What do you think, Stephanie?
Yeah, we're flying out Monday morning.
Here we are in Baltimore. We got here after a 3-hour trip from home in the small snowstorm that they did unknowingly to me, if that's even a word, they forecasted that there was going to be snow. So here it is, and we missed our flight. And so we tried to get the next flight, but we were 5 minutes late to get our luggage on that flight. So they said, we can't guarantee it. So now we're on the 6-something flight, but it's delayed. And my guess is good. It's going to be canceled. So we're going to spend the day in Baltimore. And that's the thing.